So, this is in my garden, and I thought I would show you my studio. It's at the bottom of my garden. This is a little winding path. I didn't want a straight one, it's a whirly one. And one of my sons, Tom, built me this. It's made out of cedar, and it's lovely. So here's my little patio that I have. I have my chess set, very close to my heart. I have my solar flamingos. I have lots of flamingos. A little sitting thing. I think it's going to rain. I'm going to have to bring these in actually, which the birds like to poop on all the time for some reason. They like that in this tree up here. Here I've got, oh, that's my biggest. I must have 25 like budders, all different ones. That's my biggest one there. There's there's a cactus missing. I'm not sure. Lots of artificial plants down here because I look out in the winter and it's just nice to see. Look, you can see the bird poop every day. Every day we're picking it up. There's my little chair. I have two more of these up the top. Oh, if you're looking there, you can see me. I'm in my caftan waving. So lots and lots of flamingos, little flamingo table. The blinds in my doors, I had them put inside, so much easier for cleaning. It was a bit more expensive, but it was well worth it. And you can see there's my house up there. So I'm just going to pull this too because it's a bit cold. So this is my studio. Okay, it looks small because there's so many cupboards, but it's actually really spacious in here, and then I can look out on my garden all day. So where do we start? We'll start with these units. I have these units everywhere. I have them in the house. I love order. I know this is the most cluttered place you'll see in my house. I like to see the bright, I like to see the dolls, I like to see things like this here. In my house it's very everything's sort of contained. So they're from IKEA, and I put mix and match doors on and have them everywhere. My desk is one of those. It's an electric one that goes up and down. Here, this is waiting to go on the wall, and it hasn't got on the wall for the last 2 years. So it has a lot of all like my little mini books that I make in there, all kinds of things like that. I have a high desk. I love this. Again, I have two of these. I have one in the house for folding my fabric on, and it has lots of trolleys underneath. So there's another trolley. This is sort of the junky corner. This corner drives me mad, and I haven't decided what to do here yet. One of Tim's trolleys, it's full of pencil cases. I have so many pencil cases I can't tell you. Lots of watercolours and mediums here. There's a painting I did years and years ago. Lots and lots of backgrounds, etc. This box is what I found the other day. I don't know what to do with. Lots of mats. Down there there's lots and lots of 12x12s that I bring back. My big brolly, one of the stands. Here another. This has got a lot of like scrapbooky stuff for when I'm doing sort of mini books. So lots of paper and different bits and pieces like that. So we come over here. It's a doll that Tim got me. People are scared of her, so I like to put a little hat on her there. Just again, waiting to go on the wall. When your son's a builder, you wait and wait and wait for everything to go on. So, oh, I've been looking for those. I'm doing a quilt, and that's some of Tim's eclectic stuff. Again here, tons and tons. That's Halloween, that's dogs. Everything's sorted. Oops, oh, Tim, your drawer fell out. My little chair, this is where I sit. Just behind there is where all the cushions from outside go. I sit in this little chair. It's waiting to be recovered, but the fabric is at Ranger. That box is, I've got to sort it. I've got things to finish. I can't decide if I'm early for Christmas next year or late for this year. There's all sorts in there, okay? And then here are my cupboards. Some of them are glass doors, some of them are normal. Lots of things on the top, sewing machines. Again, I have more in the house. All those boxes have something in. I think this one is Dyalog. That's colouring books. That box there is Kelly Creates. This one here, that's all Kelly Creates stuff. These two are, I think that's Marlene, Jane Davenport and Dina. That's what they have up there. Lots and lots of pencil cases in here. This is one of my little light boxes. I've got a big one somewhere else. And if we look in the cupboards, this one has got lots and lots of old journals in there, and some of my Ladybird books. I don't know why they're down here. There's loads upstairs. Oh, the other. I have to open both these together at the moment. Oh, there we go. Because of my light box. This one is full of boxes, and my cupboards are all organised as well. So I like my boxes neat. There's another box. Don't know what to do with it. Lots and lots of different books. These are sort of arty books, really, in there. All sorts of different things. This cupboard is all finished journals. All those journals there are finished. All different sizes, etc. This one is, oh, this is pens. Everything in here, all pens, lots of different Copics, Distress, some Janes there, all sorts. I'm a pen freak. Whoops, what's in here? Angel cards, lots and lots of angel cards, and at the back there's books. Here we go, more and more cards, boxes of postcards, everything's organised. I do like to be neat. This is all journals still to use. I'm sorry if I'm wobbling a bit with this, but I'm trying my best. So that's new journals. This one here is, oh, colouring books. Lots of colouring in there. And then these journals are sort of half finished. They've still got pages to do. This one is ongoing work. So bottom and top shelf are stamps. This is collage. I don't know why I've split them, but that's collage. This is my most hated cupboard. I hate this cupboard because it has in it just bags. When I come back and I have bags and I'm like, where am I going to put the bag? And I empty things and it just goes in here. So that's bags. This one again, lots and lots of books in there. That's all my fashion design books at the bottom there. I missed one. What did I miss in this one? Oh, this just has all sorts. That's got, like, I don't know if you can see, some punches and some stickles and things like that. And the very bottom ones all have big magazines in. And then I have lots of these trolleys, lots of these carts from IKEA, and I usually load up with what I want and put it near my desk, or I'll take it up to the studio. So there's lots of things I'm working on at the moment. There's lots of dialogues in there. This is for some projects I'm doing for Ben. That's a lot of Tim stuff. I'm doing some Tim projects there. There's some stamps again, more pencil cases. I have hundreds and hundreds of pencil cases. Some collage cards that I'm doing there. Some more of these. There's another trolley there which is full of collage. And then what have we got here? We have my collection. Well, actually, we have half of my collection of Monster High dolls. The other half are in boxes in a loft, and I'm really not sure where to put them, really. So, and somehow I've ended up with some extra of the big ones, so I'll sort those out. Lots and lots of cards. These are box full of cards. Some are collage, some are stamping. I have Mary, I have Jesus there, lovely painting somebody did of me. My paints, the Queen, we have two of the Queen and the Corgi there, and then I have all my Harry Potter. Again, there's more of these, they're inside, I need to bring them back down. All my Harry Potter, all my Tim Burton, lots of different tapes. Jodie, my lovely friend Jodie got me the big things, some big scissors. I love this. That's a little canvas that I did with Tim